Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the preview of my project. So let's get started. So I'm using this watercolor paper. Then I'm using some of these tissue papers, deli paper, some pattern paper. I'm going to see whatever I can from this. I will add it. I'm not going to add all of it, but some of it from this. I'm just going to add all the colors I'm going to use it. So I have collected those, and then I'm going to tear all the some of the edges from the uh, paper. So I'm going to use gel medium. Then I'm going to um, put the glue on the top of the paper. Now I'm going to use the jelly print paper. So I'm going to see how I want to use it. So I'm going to just tear it. And then before that, I thought black would be good. So I'm trying to add that in this project. So you can use the gel medium uh, as much as you can because that is more important when you're doing collaging. So yeah, I'm putting both in the bottom and the top. I want it to be well sealed. So I'm using the small piece also in this. Now I'm adding other small piece in this. Now I'm using this deli paper where I just stamped on that. think it's good to use the gel medium generously so that it gets stuck everywhere. Now I'm using jelly print paper and adding that to give some color in there. Now I'm adding the text um, paper. Now I'm going to add this pattern paper. I like the textured one in this, so I'm going to just add this in this project. I'm trying to tear those edges. Now it looks nice with all different patterns in this and the color combination. Now I'm going to add this small piece in this. It's like a tone kind of a texture, so I like that in the background. So I'm going to make sure now it is dry, so I'm going to heat dry it. So now I'm going to add this kind of like a gold pattern paper. It's very nice for the background. So I'm going to add this in the background. Now I'm going to add on the other side. Now to get some color, I'm using this red cardstock. It's like a leftover red cardstock, so I thought that will give nice color. I like that red color in this. It needed that little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit on the top, a small piece there, and then I'm going to see if I need more, maybe a little bit here. Mm, I'm just thinking where I want to keep one extra stripe thing, but I think I'm going to just two I'm going to add. I'm not going to add any more. Then I'm going to trim this, and take that small piece and add there in the bottom. So now for the focal point, I had this die. So I'm going to use this metallic acrylic paint. And this is from Mont Marty, or I don't know how to say it, Mont Marty. So I'm going to use this metallic gold paint, and I'm going to color on that. But the easiest way is you can just take a gold paper and do the die cut. That is the most easiest one to do it. But I just thought I can give some different color in this. Then I'm going to add some kind of like a copper. So I'm just using this brayer and just roughly add that color. Then I'm adding a little bit of black in that. I'm just rolling on this one because I just didn't want to waste the paint. Now I'm going to add um, like a marking. So I'm using this Sharpie pen and I'm going to just scribble on this. This is optional. If you don't want to do it, it's fine too. I just thought it will give some interest in the background. So now just making it wider and darker. Now I'm going to dry this, heat dry it. Now I'm going to add the glue in the center and add this dye. This is like a just grungy dye, or I should say as a some textured dye. And then I'm going to add this focal point on the top, and then I'm going to press it. Then I'm going to add another piece of that dye. I just thought that will give us some extra texture in the background. Or sometimes if we use like a fiber kind of thing, or thread or something like that, will also look good. So I like this project, how it turned out. So let me know in the comments. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. Um, you can see the closer pictures in the end of the video. So I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. Bye.